So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your YouTube channel. There's going to be some things that you're going to be able to hide, like your videos and some other stuff. There's all the stuff that you cannot hide. However, this is important because some people may be going through a process where you don't want to show your videos or whatever it is, and you don't want it deleted. If you delete your videos, you won't be able to get them back. But if you hide them for a while, when you're ready to come back to YouTube, you could just activate them again and they will be right there. Again, pretty simple to do. Let's get to it. By the way, welcome to the Content Creator Tools channel. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. We got a lot of videos like this. Click that like, subscribe, and that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to go to the top right. I'm going to click on my picture and I'm going to go to Creator Studio. From here, I'm going to go into setting all the way to the left, a little bit down. I'm going to go to channel. I'm going to click in this advanced setting tab right here. And then when you go all the way down, it's going to say remove YouTube content. Click there. Keep in mind that it's going to bring you into this page. This is your regular Google sign on page. Put your password, click next. Here, you're going to have two choices. You're going to have a choice that is going to say, I want to permanently delete my content. Obviously, if you're clicking here, everything will be deleted. You don't want to do that. But the one right above, it says, I want to hide my content. If you click there, this is what's going to happen. It's going to say, this will hide your YouTube videos and playlists. Then you have the choice of what you actually want to hide, right? The following will be made private. Your 26 public videos and your 3 playlists. The following will not be hidden. Your channel page, your channel name, your channel art and icon, and your likes and subscriptions, right? So all your videos will be put in public and some of your playlists as well. But keep in mind that they're still going to be able to see your channel page, your channel names, and your art and icon. Next thing you want to do is that you want to click those boxes, and obviously you want to click hide my content. I won't do that because I really don't want to hide this channel, but now you have an idea how to do it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We see you on the next one.